Hello guys, welcome. So today you're going to be learning how to design this beautiful, awesome flyer using Canva. Without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to my Canva app already. I've created a new page and I use the size 3000 by 3000, right? And then I'm making the design without further ado. So let's get right into it, right? This is just the size 3000 by 3000 with the name Happy Birthday. Okay, so the first thing I want to do now is to create our background, and to create our background, click on the add icon at the bottom left side of the page, and then we'll head over to our photos. So if you don't see any photos here, just go to apps and then bring out my brush. Okay, so this apps here, let's click on apps, then we'll go over to pictures, then click on photos, and then I'll be searching for the background, which is pink gradient background. Okay, sorry, that's not pink, right? I'm using red and orange gradient background. Red. So this is a way to search on Canva, right? When you're looking for the colors or anything, red and orange, you can just type it like that. But when you put this gradient background, right, it makes it easier for you to get what you want. Red and orange gradient background. Search. So and then we'll look for the one we want. Okay, this one what? Yeah, that's it. This one right here. You get it? So all we have to do now, since we got into in our editing site, right, is just set the background. So go to more, which is at the extreme end, and then we click on set image as background. Voila, we have that. Now we proceed, right? Okay, so I have my image I'm going to be using, and this love emoji, I have it placed. I already have it available to you in the resources folder. So the next thing we want to be doing is to add our text. So we'll go to add a heading, and first thing we type in there is our happy birthday. Exit this stuff and edit happy, right? Okay, make this happy, and then we'll click it here. I'll change the fonts. I'm using Codec Pro, right? So by now you know I love Codec Pro. And then I'll change the color to white, and then I'll reduce the size to 70. Let's just reduce the size to 70. Okay, that's no size, is size. Let me see, 70. Okay, 70 is too small. Let's make it 150, right? Because we want to see the happy there. 150. Okay, so bring it here. Then I'll duplicate it. Then I'll edit and convert that to birthday. BIRTH birthday. Then this one is going to be big. We'll make the size 555, and then we'll expand birthday like that. And then we'll change the font to the seasons. This is a very, very beautiful font. So just search for it, you see it, and you choose it, the seasons. So what we're going to do next is that we're going to reduce the spacing, the line spacing between them. We don't want it too much. So bring it down. Another thing is I want to make it all caps. Yeah, that's it. So happy birthday. I'll make the format left aligned like that. Let's use these. And I'll place it well. Happy birthday. Let's lift that up a little bit. This one to up a little bit. Okay, so next I'll add in my model. So my model, yeah, the beautiful I use for the design. So just click on copy, and then go to the next place. Click on go to more again, and paste. Yeah, you can do that easily. So as you can see, the image is not actually, it's beautiful, but you know, we can lighten it up, we can make it way more beautiful, right? So I'll be editing it. So I'll go to adjust. So it's a bit dark, so I'll increase the brightness a little bit. Let's make it 20. Okay, I think 18 is fine. Increase the contrast. You see, now it's becoming more good. Let's say saturation. Okay, I think let's leave that at 2. I don't want anything with tint, so let's go blur. Okay, I have to adjust that myself. So blur, when you reduce the blur, it makes it more sharper. When you increase it, this is what happens. So we don't want this. So I'll just blur like this, and then I'll go, and then I want the clarity is too much. I'll reduce it 14, vibrance, let's do about 28. Right, so I advise you adjust it to get the blend you're looking for, right? The editing you're looking for. So this is okay for me. I'll just do that. Yeah, you see now it's now more brighter than it was like this, right? So let's go back to our design. Okay, so I've still reduced the spacing between two of them. So also use the spacing. Yeah, I want it like that. Happy birthday. Okay, so for this birthday I'll duplicate it, then I'll adjust it, and then I'll go over to my effects, and then I'll go to holo, and then I'll reduce it. Okay, it's not totally aligned with the other one. Yeah. Okay, I feel this is at the back. Let's bring it to it. This is at the back or at the front. It's at the front. Okay. Let's place it. So that's it. Happy birthday. So the next thing I'll be doing now is to just add my I'll bring in a rectangle element. It's no need to search a rectangle. It automatically shows. See lines here, points and shapes. So just click on this rectangle here. So that's it. I'll delete this because to end up bringing more than we need. We just need only one. So I'll just adjust that. Let me zoom in and move it like this. Then I'll adjust it. Okay, then I'll change this color. Okay, and then we'll continue. Okay, so we just change this color to this one. I don't know, it's getting a bit slow. I want just to edit all our text in before finalize, right? Before finalize every stuff. I think this is too white. I'll zoom in. Okay, so that's okay. I'll click on this birthday again. I think it's too thick. It's still too thick. So I'll go to holo as they edit it and reduce it again. Let me make it 5. Okay, and now happy. I think I'll make that all caps. Yeah, the wrong place. So remove that. Go to format. Let me make it bold. Let me say this as bold. It's not coming big again. Because like it's too serious. Okay, and then we'll add the text here. I'll also get this happy. Bring it down here, and the font is still the same codec we'll be using. I'll just reduce the size. I'll reduce the size to 45. Okay. 45. And then I'll write what I want to write here. This is wishes. So happy birthday, what did I really love and celebrate you. Let me just get the text, write it there, and we'll proceed. Alright guys, we're back. I just write the wishes there, so depends on you. You can write your own wish. Right? And I'll just change this so much from I'll move it from all caps, obviously. You can only be like that. And then I'll just sit here. So you see the spacing between the lines are much, right? So we have to reduce it. Line spacing. I think this is okay, 1.13. Okay. Now place it there. And now we need more. Okay, I'll just duplicate this triangle here. Duplicate it. And then we'll adjust it because we need small ones at the edges just to beautify it. Writing only one. Just putting only one like this does not make it let's say exceptional. It's still good, but not good. Okay. Let me just move this. Raise this up. Bring this in. I just try to make a small line. Then I place it here. And then I go to the color. Change it here. Change it to red. This red or pink. Okay, I'm not really that good with colors. Alright, I place it there. Then I duplicate. Did he duplicate? I touch it. And let me move it and say, okay, it didn't duplicate. I'll take it back, duplicate. Okay, now I did duplicate. It's perfect. Okay, then we'll use the transparency a little bit. 80 is enough for both of them. 80, 80. 80. That's 8 and 0. Alright. Now we can zoom out. Zoom out. A birthday. Okay. So we did a duplicate and now it's in another place. So you see it's not really arranged, so let's arrange it. Move it backwards, expand the length, and then I reduce this like that, and then I have to delete this one so we don't work to expansion. Just touch this, delete it, and then this one, duplicate it, and move it over there. So you adjust it so you see these 3 lines swing, and they are perfectly arranged. That's, yeah. Okay, I'll now zoom out again. Okay, and proceed. I don't know why Canva happens to be slowing us down. Okay, now continue. So this happy birthday text here, we'll duplicate it and then move it. I don't want the 3 layer on this is just fine. And I'll open this, make it straight, move it backward, make it straight. Then I'll turn it at this one's not 90 degrees again. So if it does be vertical, right? So be standing straight. Alright. Okay, take a seat. And I take it here. Send it backward. It's just like adding a special effects background into the design, and I'll use the transparency. Okay, want it to be a bit visible, so I'll make it 25. So you see that, just like a special effect. Okay, let's move on. So what else do we need to add? Alright, then 18th December, I forgot the date. We'll just go and we'll search for brush. We search for a brush, right? Let me get the name. Okay guys, just brush cycle. Have our funny names. I know in search for it you easily access it, right? That's why I love it. It's instead of going around the web to go and get for what you want, just get it. This is the one we use. Click on it and we'll use it. Take it up. I think we use it too small, so we change the color. Change it to this one. That was suggested for us. Zoom in as usual, and then I'll increase the size a little bit because it's too small, and then I'll adjust it, want it to be right aligned, and then our happy, right? We duplicate our happy, and then we'll edit it to 18th December, or you can put any birthday date you want to put. So 18th. So I'll use the size and let me make it 50 and see how it is. Okay, 50 is too small. 70, yeah, 70 is okay. Then I'll go and reduce the spacing. And I'll place it in the middle. Yeah, it's okay. Alright, okay, I'll just adjust that a little bit to the top and bring it down. Okay, so we have that settled. Now it's time for our special effects. So next we'll be doing starting for a flower, just flower, an element, right? Flower. And when you search for flower, you see a lot of options. So you go to photos, which is down here, and then you scroll, you see this red one here. I'm using it because it matches the background, the pencil background. So reduce the size. It's just adding a special effect, making the design exceptional. Raise it up. Then move it here. Then I send it backward. Just one step. like that. See, that's the effect we're looking for. So the next thing we're adding is this our love icon that I made available in the resource folder. Right, this is the one we did before. Okay, I'll click on this one, go to copy, and then we'll paste it. Right, move to the next place, and then we'll paste. So we'll tap on the page, just back the page, and then go and paste, and then I'll just take it. Yeah, like that. Perfect. The next thing we're searching for, go to the add icon and we search for Love 3D. Love 3D. Now, when you search for anything using 3D on Canva, automatically it gets 3D icons. Like you get 3D icons. Like you understand what 3D icons are, right? Just adding 3D. When you search for emoji 3D, knock 3D, anything, just add 3D. You see a different view for icons like this, right? Lots of them. So we're just using this one for this design, so you can explore for yourself later and use them in your designs. That's a big growth. Okay, so this is the size. I think that's too small. Then I'll take it this way. Yeah, perfect. And then I'll go. We don't want it to be totally visible, so I'll go to adjust, and then I'll increase the block. So it's showing but not really showing. You understand? So I'll just reduce the block. I'll not make it 25. Just 25. Just the block. So that's it. We're almost done. Duplicate that. Take it up. And now, okay, I wouldn't love to be showing. So what I do, I turn it upside down. It there, and then I send backward. There, okay. And then now, since we send it backward, there's nothing else we're gonna do about that. Okay, so one more thing, forgot to write the name of our celebrant, right? As important as that. So just quickly select these designs here, select multiple, right? So we'll just group them together. So I select the 4 of them, group them together, and then we can just move them downwards. I recommend you do that when you want to move things around instead of moving them individually and trying to rearrange it again. So I'll just duplicate my happy, and then the name is Miss Adiola Elelo, right? That's her name. So Miss, not supposed to be MRS, Miss, since it's married, INEL, right? So open it, then I'll reduce the size. Let's try 70. Okay, so there we have it. 70 is okay. Then I'll adjust it. So that's how it is. I want to make this bold. Actually, this and bold. Yeah, so birthday should be. Oh yes. Okay. So guys, there you have it. That's how to design a beautiful, stunning design like this on Canva, right? So the next one I'm just going to do is just download it, right? And that will be it for today. Thank you so much for watching to the very end. Do have a awesome day. Thank you so much.